Consider taking a position in these companies as their share prices rise. Here are 3 breakout stocks to buy before they skyrocket. NVIDIA. The semiconductor company's share price is up 70% through 10 weeks of the year. Meta Platforms. Austerity measures have this tech stock up nearly 60% on the year. Amazon. Several notable Wall Street analysts are urging investors to buy this stock as it starts to break out. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 breakout stocks to buy before they skyrocket. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. It's not all bad out there. While bank failures and ongoing market volatility generate headlines, there are several stocks that have staged huge rallies to start the year. Many technology stocks that were badly beaten up in 2022 have gained more than 50% since the start of this year. While worries persist about inflation and the likelihood that interest rates will continue rising over the near term, investors have been quietly piling into certain securities, leading to isolated breakouts that could result in some share prices skyrocketing in the coming weeks and months. To be sure, risks remain. But investors who know where to look can make money in the market right now. Here are 3 breakout stocks to buy before they skyrocket. Number 1. NVIDIA. So far in 2023, the share price of semiconductor and microchip company NVIDIA has gained 77%. Considering that we're only 10 weeks into the year, that is an astounding gain in a relatively short period of time. Looking behind us, it appears that NVIDIA stock bottomed at $108 a share last October. Since then, the share price has more than doubled. And momentum seems to be gathering behind the chipmaker as its stock has gained 10% in the last month alone. The breakout appears to have been fueled by several factors. Sentiment towards technology stocks has been improving after a brutal sell-off through much of last year. NVIDIA gave investors and analysts reasons for optimism with a fourth-quarter earnings print, delivered at the end of February, that beat expectations. And NVIDIA's high-powered chips are seen as a key component needed to advance artificial intelligence and the chatbots that are transfixing the investment community. All this signals that NVIDIA stock is likely to continue rising. Number 2. Meta Platforms. Facebook's parent company, Meta Platforms, is another tech stock that is breaking out after a tough downturn in 2022. In 2023, Meta Platforms stock has risen 58%, including a 14% gain over the past month. The share price is on the cusp of breaking above $200, and a new 52-week high looks within reach. Sentiment towards the company, run by Mark Zuckerberg, has improved dramatically from just a few months ago when analysts were disparaging the billions of dollars being allocated to the development of the metaverse. Zuckerberg and his company have managed to win back analysts and investors by undertaking aggressive cost-cutting measures that have included laying off more than 20,000 employees. Zuckerberg has called 2023 Meta's Year of Efficiency, which is winning applause along Wall Street. On February 1st, Meta Platforms also announced a $40 billion stock buyback program, which has also helped lift the share price. And Meta Platforms stock is benefiting from threats by President Joe Biden to ban Chinese social media app TikTok, which is a key competitor of Meta Platforms. Number 3. Amazon. Many professional analysts and traders on Wall Street are rooting for Amazon. Investment bank Goldman Sachs recently named Amazon a top pick for the remainder of 2023. And JP Morgan Chase just reaffirmed its overweight buy rating on Amazon stock. These firms believe that Amazon stock has been oversold and that its CEO, Andy Jassy, is righting the ship after announcing 18,000 job cuts and hitting pause on several infrastructure projects, including a second headquarters in Virginia. While Amazon stock has not rallied as strongly as NVIDIA or Meta Platforms this year, there are signs of life at the e-commerce company. Amazon's share price has risen 7% since the beginning of March and is now close to breaking above $100 a share for the first time since the start of February. Amazon has also benefited from a rotation out of bank stocks following the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank on March 10th and growing expectations that the Federal Reserve may now need to slow its pace of interest rate increases. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.